Hi guys, what are we gonna do today? Today we're gonna make some cute trees. We're just gonna do some wrapping. This is really simple. And we're gonna show you how to make some cute trees that you can make big or small. Let's get started. So I'm gonna show you how to make these fun trees that you could put on a Christmas package, or as all we're really gonna need for this is four sheets of paper that are squares that graduate either up or down. I'm using a 2 by 2 inch, 3 by 3, 4, and 5. If 2 is too small, you could always start at 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can make them as large or as small as you would like. So I'm gonna get started with this first one, and it really is fairly simple. So what we're gonna do is fold it in half this way, fold it in half again this way, and then at the points, and at the points again. Okay, now we have this. Now the easiest way to remember how to fold it together is you want this flat edge facing towards you. And then what you're gonna do is with the flat edge facing towards you, just push these together and you have this triangle. Then you can see the center line right here. I am gonna bring this right side edge right to that center. Left side edge right to the center. Then what I'm gonna do is turn it over. I'm gonna bring this point up. So you have a small triangle down here, and this point up. Now I'm going to turn this back over. I want them to look nice and finished. So what I'm gonna do is open these back up again. And I am going to push. You'll see the little fold lines there. Fold them in. You're folding this little diamond in. Done with number one. We're going to do the same thing with the other three. So what I'm gonna do next is just glue them all together. And you can use any type of glue you would like, but you're gonna put this right inside of here. So this line is coming straight down there. And then you'll also notice on the back, the line should line up. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue right here at the top of this largest one. Put this inside, make sure it is lined up and lined up. Put some glue at the top of the next one. So that's lined up on this last one. Then you could even press this down a little more with a bone folder. And there you go. And this would be really cute just on the front of a package that's folded like this. So this fold really does work better with rectangular, shallower boxes. The width of this right here, I'm going to put right there. I'm going to lay this down. I want to go about just a few inches from the end. It seems like it's going to be too short, but it really isn't. Now for the sides, I'm going to want the one end to go all the way over and this end to go almost all the way over. My paper goes to the edge of this box right here and comes down, I'm guessing about 2 finger lengths away from the end. I'm folding this in the center. I have this straight edge right here, and I want this right here go to flush against the box. And same with this, I want this to be flush against the box. Same with this side. Then I'm going to bring this side over. Then I am going to bring this last side over. And down here, I am just pressing in the ends. And then I have my cute little tree. And I could even add other things inside of this. So I hope you guys thought this was easy and you give it a try. The wrapping is really simple, but the trees are really simple too. You could even use them on plates with name tags on them. Well, I hope you give us a try, but whatever you do, have fun.